Well, good morning. It's the beginning of June and we are in the Wombat State Forest for 2 nights having a little break. We're at a place called Franche's Hut, which sits between the Wombat Plantation and McLaughlin Creek in the Wombat State Forest. Franche's Hut was built around the 1920s by Victor Franche, who was son of a Swiss migrant Giulio Franche, who came to Australia in 1855 for the gold rush. The Franche Hut stands alongside the site of the Franche home, which was burnt down in a fire in the early 20th century. Remnants of the home can still be seen today. The one-room hut is built from logs and features a stone fireplace and chimney. Some restoration work has been done, as the hut originally had a bark roof, which has since been replaced with metal. So this is camp. We've got our Oz Tent RV5, and I'll show you inside after. We've just got our 2 stretchers and our sleep systems. Dog beds in the front there. We've got one of the new awning sides up, just to give us a little bit more protection because it is forecast for rain for the next 3 days. So, and it's the beginning of June, so it's beginning of winter here in Victoria. We live out the back of the car. It's our new table, which we're really happy with. Got the kettle on. Rick's collecting some wood to start the fire. Dogs are just doing dog stuff over there somewhere. Yeah, there they are. So yeah, and we're just going to kick back and have a relaxing afternoon, I think. Not much going on. Good boy. What are you doing in there? On the floor, I've just got my alfoil thing, thermo, whatever it's called thing, a picnic rug, a rug from home, and then they'll have their 2 rugs from their outdoor beds. So hopefully that'll prevent too much cold coming up from the ground, and they'll be toasty warm there. Heaps of room for them. We can hear a creek, so we're just heading off for a little walk. See what we can find. Get your toys, Zena. Good girl. Wow, here's the creek. It's beautiful. You see all that debris, so at some point it's actually been that high. I don't know whether that was this season or maybe last winter. What do you think?
Yeah, probably that last lot of really big water that we had last year, I reckon.
Yeah.
Cool, isn't it?
Beautiful.
Cool.
Just collected some wood and put it under the awning here just to keep it dry. So I've just got out my little thermometer and it's saying 8.7 degrees Celsius. So it's not real warm and it's raining at the moment. Just looking at the thermometer, 6.8 degrees Celsius. It's getting chilly. So I think I was pointing in the wrong direction before. This looks like the remnants of some kind of building. So maybe the homestead was up here. Not sure what that would be. Maybe a chimney. They're usually the last things to go, aren't they? That actually turned out better than I expected. Oh. Sit. Good boy. Sit. Sit. Good girl. There you go. Good boy. Good girl. So we have moved into the hut. Got the fire going. We're going to sit in here for the night.
We love a sunburned country, a land of sweeping plains.
Sorry. Go. Go.
We love a sunburned country, a land of sweeping plains, of rugged mountain ranges, of droughts and flooding rains. We love our far horizons, and that's about all I know.
Oh, good morning. Sorry about the hair, I slept with my beanie on. It was cold last night. It got down to 1.6 at 1:30, so I'm guessing it'll probably lower than that at some point. It's 4.6 now and it's about 9 o'clock. So we're just going to cook some breakfast. Bacon and eggs in Turkish rolls this morning, and yeah, there you go. almost packed up. We didn't really film much yesterday or last night, so just had a relaxing time. Zena's over there talking to herself, and Zeus is where he normally is, down here, waiting for me to kick his ball. So this is called Stevensons Hut, or Stevensons Hut. I don't know anything about the history, but I'm guessing it's left over from the gold rush days. Oh, well, there's a little fire pit and a more modern chair. What else is in there? Looks like someone's been camping in here. I think I prefer the other one, to be honest. But a pretty nice location. Creek just down here. Well, we've had a great couple of days. We're going to end it here and head off home. So thank you so much for watching again. Please consider subscribing if you'd like to follow along for more adventures, and we shall see you on the next one.